Hi there, students. Lobby. Okay, a lobby has two different meanings. Firstly, a lobby is an entrance hall, a reception area. Although this meaning, the Americans use this much more than the Brits. In the UK, either we say a hall for a lobby, a passageway or a corridor, or the foyer. So the lobby of a hotel, the entrance area, the reception area, the foyer or the lobby of a theatre, the place where you go through the door and then there's stairs going up and down. The lobby of a cinema, that's the place where you buy the tickets. Okay, so a lobby, an entrance hall, a reception area, which in British English you can use lobby for that. And then a passageway or a corridor or a hall, as I would say in British English, the lobby, but that's more American. Okay, the origin of this word lobby is from Latin, lobbia, which is a portico, a covered way, a cloister. So it's a place where you can walk, and if it rains you don't get wet, but you're still outside. Okay? Now, the other meaning of lobby, which is also a verb. A lobby is a group of people who try to influence politicians or decision makers in a legal way. They try to influence them in favour of their product or their ideal or what they want. Or they also try and influence them not to make laws against their product. So you have the person who is a lobbyist, who is lobbying politicians, persuading politicians to be favourable to their cause. So you have the tobacco lobby. This is the tobacco companies that are trying to delay legislation against tobacco. The gun lobby in the United States that says everyone should have the right to a gun and there shouldn't be laws prohibiting people from having guns. You could have the fossil fuels lobby, which is represented by the oil companies, and they are pressing politicians to make laws and legislation favourable to them. The pharmaceutical lobby. So the pharmaceutical companies use lobbyists to persuade politicians. The banking lobby. So a lobby is like a pressure group, who presses a politician to vote in a certain way. So to lobby is legal, but I think the difficulty with lobbying is, when does it become illegal? What is too much pressure? What is too much of a gift? Okay, the origin of this word, a lobby, it's the same as a lobby, a hall, lobbia, a portico in Latin. In the Houses of Parliament in London, there are lobbies. These lobbies there are several large halls where members of Parliament can meet with members of the public, or they can meet with the lobbyists. And that's effectively where it comes from. So people who meet in the lobby of the House of Parliament to try and pressurise or persuade MPs to vote in a certain way. Now, next question, what about formality? Well, as an entrance hall, it's a neutral word. You could use it in an informal conversation or in a formal document. But remember, it's more American than British. And then to lobby. Could you use this in an informal conversation in the pub? I suppose so. But the gun lobby, the people who promote guns, yeah, I guess you could use it in an informal conversation, but this word is more politics or business, and I think it's much better in something semi-formal or something very formal. So a lobby, a hall, an entrance hall, a foyer, a passageway, a corridor. Or to lobby, a group of people trying to influence politicians and decision makers and lawmakers in favour of their product or their idea or their ideal or what they support. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A lobby.